Dan Perry here with another danontech computer applications video for Northeast State Community College. In this video we're going to look at another way of copying or moving files. And instead of dragging, if I select a file or a group of files, I can right click, and if I want to move it, what I would do is come down and click Cut, then come to the place I want to put it and right click and paste, and that will move it. So again, click on it, right click, say cut. Now it doesn't show it going away right away until I do a paste, and that would move the file. Now if I select multiple files, I can right click and do a cut, and then come to where I want to put them and paste the multiple files. I can also copy them by again selecting them, right click and do copy, go to the destination, right click and paste, and that will go in and that will paste it, or copy it rather. So I can use the right click. I can also hit the Alt key, and that brings up my File, Edit, View menu, and go to Edit. And notice if I go to Edit, I've only got the paste option. If I do a paste right now, notice it pasted a copy and called it File 1 Copy, because the last thing I copied was that File 1, and it was already in the same folder. So I can duplicate into the same folder that way. I can also, if I select something and come up, hit the Alt and go to Edit, now I have cut or copy. So now if I want to copy File 1, let me copy it over here. I can, again, Alt, if I hit the right key, Alt, Edit, Paste, and since File 1 is already there, now I get a slightly different option. I get an option of copy and replace, and that will take and replace the existing file. Don't copy it. Oh, no, that was a mistake. Or copy and keep both files, and if I do that, it renames the copy with a File 2 extension. So it sort of protects you there from pasting a file that already exists. Okay, now the other way is using shortcut keys, and the shortcut key for cut is Control X. So I can highlight a file, Control X, go to where I want to paste it, Control V, and that will cut it from the source and paste it into the destination. So the Control X is cut. Now Control V is paste. Well, copy, if I highlight one or more files, do Control C for copy, go to where I want to paste it, Control V will paste it. So the X for cut, that makes sense. Control C, C for copy, that pretty much makes sense. Well, the V, I think they chose V because it was right beside the X and the C on the keyboard. But those are some ways we can copy and paste files. And I can do the same with a folder. I can click on a folder, drag it, and move it if it was on the same drive. And if it was on a different drive, drag it over, and it would copy it. So those are some ways I can copy and paste and move files and folders in Windows. Thank you for watching this danontech video for Northeast State Community College. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos.